got this backpack, and I don't know, I really liked it for my bike, so I can put all my stuff in it and not have to worry about all my stuff. So I don't know, it kind of matches my helmet. I'm gonna insert a video right now of my helmet. It like changes colors like it, so that's pretty cool. Okay, so I got these like application pads. Now I haven't used these, but I've been using you know the sponge that you use when you put like tire shine on? I don't use that ever for my tires, but I just sprayed on. But I use that for my like the Supreme Shine. So the Supreme Shine, I sprayed on there because when you spray this and then you miss a spot and then there's like a piece of like, you know, like the overspray of the oil, it kind of looks bad. So I like spraying it on the pad and then going over it, and it's just easier. I don't know, but I really like the Supreme Shine. So I use that after I clean it because honestly, if it's dirty and then you're just spraying shine all over it, doesn't clean it, right? So love that. Another thing I already have is leather conditioner. Now you want to clean your seats before you do this, so you can either put interior cleaner on it. I have a leather cleaner that I use, and then I put the leather conditioner on it after, and this will make your seats so they don't crack. I don't know if you can even see that. You kind of can, but my seats are kind of already destroyed because it's pre-owned, and that's what, you know, that's what you get when you buy pre-owned. But I love this stuff. I usually put this on last because I'm kind of sitting in my car cleaning everything, and then I put the leather conditioner on, and then I just, you know, get out and let it dry. Also, I've never used this until recently. It's freaking leaking. Oh my gosh. Piece of shit. But, okay, it's leaking. I don't know what happened. Turtle wax. I'm a fan. I've never used it before. I just haven't. You know, like when you buy products, you just kind of stick with those products. I really like their stuff. I'm not even gonna lie. I really like the wax. It works really, really good. Microfibers. I got microfibers. Now, microfibers are sketchy because they stick to everything. When you wash them, you're literally only supposed to put microfibers in there. I don't even know if you could put towels in there. You probably could put just towels in there. But you have to be careful because literally everything sticks to it. I'm not even kidding. I remember I dropped it and I guess it landed on like a leaf and I didn't notice it, and I went to like wipe and it literally scratched my car. So microfibers are good, but you have to they stick to everything. So you have to be really careful on that. So next I have is Meguiar's tire coatings, tire shine. This stuff, I love their stuff. They have one that's like sparkly. I like it in daylight, but at nighttime, like if you take a picture, it looks weird. I don't know. It looks weird, so I don't like that. I like a dull like shine, not a sparkly weird thing. I don't know. For the soap that I use, I like Rain-X. I absolutely love this car soap. It works really good. I don't know, and you can get it at Walmart, and it's easy and it's convenient, and yeah. So, for making your car smell good, my car doesn't smell bad, but I always like to have some, like a scent. I don't know. This stuff works really, really good. I love this so much. It's California Scents. You take the top off, and then it's a sticker. It's a can. You take the can off. Right? Oh, get the can off. Oh my god, it smells so good. It smells like, it's cherry, but it almost smells like Starburst. So you put the top back on, right? There's like this little, you know, stuff in there. It doesn't move or anything. It just, and then there's a thing up top. Nope. There's other ones actually. This is actually different. The other ones are like blocks. I don't know if this is a different one, but they all look like this. You can have, I guess, a jelly or like little like blocks in there. But it smells so freaking good. I just put it in my cup holder or wherever I feel like it. That's all the stuff that I got for my car. I went and of course got to the dog section and bought dog collars for Hercules and Scarlet. And then I got toys. more toys. More toys. And more toys. So I'm a dog mom, as you can already tell. But oh, one more thing. Detail spray. Lucas, oh my god. This detail spray, ooh, speed wax. I love this stuff. This is my favorite stuff. And I've tried Chemical Guys. And I've tried Adam Polishes. Yeah, I like their stuff. And I like, there's a banana one. I want to say it's called Banana Wax. It's Chemical Guys. That stuff. Like, I went to Cars and Coffee, and my paint, like, I need a paint correction. It's not bad. Like, it's, you know, whatever. But it needs some loving. And I remember putting the banana wax on, and everyone was like, did you get your car ceramic coated? Did you get it, like, paint corrected? And I was like, no. This stuff, it's so freaking good. But this stuff, just as good. But the banana one, the Chemical Guys, like, everyone thought I got my car, like, professionally done. How good it was. But that's it for today. These are my top favorites. There's other things that I could show you if you want more interior, how to clean your interior, how I do my outside. Yeah, this is the stuff that I use. There's other stuff that I use that I could show you. And yeah, if you tried any of these products, let me know. Tell me how you like them. If you have any other products, I've tried pretty much everything. Jack's Wax, Adam Polishes, Chemical Guys. What's another one? I used to work with Jack's Wax until they dropped me. So that's great. I used to be sponsored by them. Not sponsored by anybody else. So that's why I go to Walmart and I get my stuff. Because falling on a budget. But anyways, that's it for today's video. If you could give it a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.